The topic that I wanted to educate the general public about concerning human-centered design was the value of universal usability. It seemed to kind of pop up a lot through our lectures and our sprints and stuff like that, so I thought it was very important. Universal usability is the ability, I guess, of a product or a design to be used by everyone equally, and it doesn't exclude certain user groups. Um, and I thought it was very interesting to think about that when thinking about designs or processes, because it could be um, connected to a lot of what the lecturers had been saying, and it could be connected to a lot of the sprints that we did too. One of the things that I thought it was really closely connected to was when in human-centered design we did something called a usability test, which basically we set up a test and set up some metrics to kind of measure how usable a product was. And just by thinking about the universal usability of a product, it kind of allowed us to open up potential solutions where we saw that the product was kind of falling flat through our usability test. I just thought it was really interesting because it could be connected to a bunch of different avenues. I mean, universal usability and universal accessibility are kind of the same but slightly different. I spoke briefly about um, universal accessibility in one of my essays for this class, where instead of having a product that was usable in a sense, it was like having a service or having some data or information that made kind of knowledge more universally accessible to a lot of people. And so I just thought it was a very interesting topic that we learned about, and I think it was really important in the human-centered design process.